In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a booking website with Hostinger Website Builder. We'll move from a blank starting point to a fully functional site where customers can reserve appointments online, and I'll share some simple tips along the way to keep everything clear and professional. First, open Hostinger Website Builder and choose a template designed for bookings or for your industry. Take a moment to preview a few options. Look for clean navigation, plenty of space for service details, and a layout that makes the action button easy to spot. Picking a template that's close to your brand style will save time later. Next, edit the website design, text, and images so it reflects your business. Update colors and fonts to match your logo or style guide, and replace any placeholder text with concise, benefit-focused copy. Swap in high-quality images that show your services clearly. Keep file sizes reasonable so pages load quickly, and double-check headings for clarity so visitors instantly know what you offer. Now add the booking or appointment section to the website. In the builder, insert the booking block or booking section and place it prominently on the home page or a dedicated page. Make sure the section has a clear title and description so visitors understand exactly what they're reserving. Then set your available services, times, and booking details. Create each service with a name, duration, and price if applicable. Set your business hours, break times, and days off, and confirm the correct time zone so appointments land in the right slots. Use buffers between appointments if you need prep time, and limit how far in advance people can book to keep your calendar manageable. After that, customize the contact and confirmation settings for appointments. Decide which contact fields are required, like name and email, and tailor the confirmation message so it includes the essentials: service booked, date and time, location or meeting link, and any important instructions. If rescheduling or cancellation is allowed, make that clear in the message. Before going live, preview the website to make sure the booking system works correctly. Walk through a test booking from start to finish, check for accurate availability, and verify that confirmation messages arrive with the right details. View the site on both desktop and mobile to ensure everything is readable and buttons are easy to tap. When everything looks good, publish the website so customers can start booking appointments online. Congratulations, your booking site is live and ready to take reservations around the clock.